Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Avalanche really is a mid-position digital money right now valued at $42.65 that has a place with the class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of $16.88 in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Over the past couple of years, digital forms of money, including Avalanche, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and truly are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards forks. A few institutional financial backers even by and large consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, showing how Avalanche generally is a mid-position digital money as of now evaluated at $42.65 that has a place with the class of minimal coins with a market capitalization of $16.88, which is very critical. Retail financial backers and brokers are genuinely keen on digital currencies fundamentally, for example, Avax, on the grounds that this basically is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources sort of have the exceptionally potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally truly brief time frame, which is genuinely huge. These profits really are somewhat out of reach in different business sectors, which essentially is the justification for why most truly moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Avalanche, while the groundbreaking ones certainly dedicate a huge piece of their funding to this quickly creating resource class. At this by and large specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Avalanche to the level at $42.65, where it at present generally sits in an unobtrusive manner. As currently referenced, Avax by and large is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it possesses the 11th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the really metric that not set in stone by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unobtrusive manner. On account of Avalanche, the market capitalization in a real sense remains at $16.88. The significance of this boundary will really be explicitly made sense of later. Our cost expectation calculation generally is planned in such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the by and large present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily, for the most part, evaluate the condition of their portfolio and especially choose whether or not it in a real sense needs to generally be reconfigured in every way that really matters enormous way. Our calculation likewise really focuses on authentic information, which is especially vital for the truly right assessment of both current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its actual present and future course, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Beneath you will especially find pretty key selections of this authentic information with a goal that you also could truly have a comprehension of where the Avalanche market truly is going, which truly is genuinely critical. Yesterday on Walk 3, Avax certainly was esteemed at $44.45 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Generally recollect that digital forms of money really are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which most certainly is genuinely critical. The cost change rate-wise over the said period really added up to 21%, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on February 26, Avalanche was exchanged at $37.45 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its genuinely present situation in an essentially large manner. On February 4, which in a real sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $36.69, the cost level that generally is at the distance of 16.22% from where it presently stands, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX most certainly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost forecasts an inconspicuous way. Market capitalization truly is another significant, genuinely metric that most certainly assists traders with especially deciding the prominence of the digital money being referred to as well as its future possibilities, exhibiting that a few institutional financial backers even explicitly consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, showing how Avalanche truly is a mid-position digital money as of now estimated at $42.65 that has a place with the class of minimal coins with a market capitalization of $16.88 $621,568. It's likewise used to explicitly evaluate the offer that Avalanche explicitly holds inside the really whole digital currency market in an especially large manner. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization truly is somewhat straightforward. The coursing supply of the money being referred to for the most part is duplicated by its kind of current cost in an exceptionally significant manner. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of Avax basically remains at $16. So 88, 621, 568, enough to name it the 11th in every practical sense, biggest coin on the digital currency market, or so they in a real sense thought. Yesterday on Walk 3, the market capitalization of Avalanche remained at $16,770.88 in a very large manner. 7 days prior, on February 26, the capitalization of Avax especially was $14,125,113,516, or so they thought. A month prior, on February 4, how much capital streaming around this kind of specific market in every practical sense added up to $13,472,342,270, which all things considered is genuinely critical. Most digital money financial backers in every practical sense stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an exceptionally certain cryptographic money and its capacity to in a real sense endure disturbances which most certainly are the sort of normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market in a sort of significant manner. The exceptionally greatest stock of Avalanche especially is 720,000 Avax. The by and large complete inventory of Avax at present in every way that really matters remains at 435,946 137 coins, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coursing supply of the digital money under survey is 377,256 497 Avax. This Avalanche cost forecast wouldn't by and large be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the essentially metric utilized by practically all cryptographic money merchants to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move in a genuinely significant manner. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain generally is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volumes there generally is a high likelihood that this move is impractical and would really bring about a bullish snare in an extremely huge manner. Hence, it's essential to really examine the past and the ongoing exchanging volume of Avax requests to comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength, or so they thought. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume on the Avalanche market generally was enrolled at 786,270